Eating nutrient-rich breakfast foods such as eggs and smoothies can help support weight loss by helping you feel full longer. Here are some healthy foods to consider adding to your breakfast meal. Bananas. Bananas are high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller longer. Unripe bananas also contain resistant starch, which can help decrease food intake and belly fat. Eggs. Eggs are rich in protein and have been shown to increase fullness, reduce food intake later in the day, and enhance weight loss. Smoothies. Smoothies can be a convenient way to increase your intake of fiber and protein to reduce hunger and increase weight loss. Be sure not to add too many high-calorie ingredients. Wheat germ. Wheat germ is high in fiber. Studies show that cereal fiber may help reduce appetite, reduce your risk of weight gain, and keep blood sugar levels stable. Green tea. Green tea and its components have been shown to increase fat burning and your number of burnt calories, which can help with weight loss. One study found that taking 3 capsules of green tea extract increased fat burning by 17% within just 30 minutes. Oatmeal. If you're looking to lose weight, oatmeal might be a healthy and delicious breakfast option. Oatmeal is low in calories but high in fiber and protein, which may help increase weight loss. It also contains beta-glucan, which can decrease both blood sugar and appetite. Yogurt. Yogurt is high in protein and can help to decrease hunger and food intake, which allow a lower risk of weight gain. Berries. Berries are nutrient-dense and high in fiber. Studies found that eating berries may decrease calorie intake and promote weight loss. Grapefruits. Grapefruits are a well-known component of many diets and weight loss benefits. Grapefruits are low in calories, high in water, and rich in fiber. Studies show that they may increase weight loss and reduce calorie intake and body fat. Coffee. Because of its caffeine content, coffee can help to increase metabolism and fat burning. If you stick to your morning coffee regularly, this may help you control your weight. While coffee may not make a balanced breakfast all on its own, you can easily pair it with your favorite healthy breakfast foods. Kiwis. Kiwis are high in fiber, including pectin, which may reduce appetite and enhance weight loss. This green tart fruit also acts as a natural laxative to help reduce water weight temporarily. Nuts. Nuts provide the perfect balance of fiber, protein, and heart-healthy fats, making them a worthy addition to any breakfast. Studies show that adding nuts to your diet may increase weight loss. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent breakfast supplement. They are high in protein and fiber, and they can help to increase weight loss, reduce appetite, and stabilize blood sugar levels. Eating healthy breakfast foods can make it easier to curb cravings and stick to your weight loss goals. It's important to know that a weight loss diet goes beyond a nutritious breakfast alone. It's crucial to incorporate wholesome, nutritious foods into your diet throughout the day to optimize your health and facilitate quick weight loss. That's it for the video today, and I hope you got value from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so you never miss out on any new informative video uploaded. Remember, your health is your priority. I'll see you in the next informative episode.